In lesson 8.5, we're going to be talking about the area of circles. And most math teachers will teach you that the area of a circle is going to be pi times the radius squared. Sometimes I prefer to write it as the area of a circle equals the radius squared times pi. Remember that pi is actually an irrational number that never terminates or repeats, but is roughly, if you're going to use a couple decimals, 3.14. So down below here, as we look at this circle that we have, we notice that we have a radius that is 7 units. Now that 7 goes in for the r, and if we want to find out what our area is, we would take the 7, shove it in for the r, and we'd have pi times 7 squared, or in other words, 49 pi. If you take the 49 and you were to multiply it by 3.14, what you would see is a resultant number of 153.86. So I would take one of two answers. I would take the answer rounded to 2 decimal places, or the exact answer, which is always the best answer, of 49 pi. That's kind of why I really like to write down the radius squared pi instead of pi r squared, which you hear a lot of people say, because you like to put the number before the pi. When you do your quizzes and your tests, do not forget to multiply by pi, or at least put it beside it. So again, in this one, when you're doing your answers, you could have the radius squared, which would be 7 squared times pi for 49 pi. Or if you actually multiply out the 49 times the pi, you could also have that 153.86. So you must have one or the other, 49 pi or an answer accurate to 2 decimal places. Area again of a circle, pi times the radius squared, or if you prefer, radius squared times pi. Pi being roughly 3.14.